Systematic position according to Bentham and Hooker's system of classification. Division phanerogams. Flowering seed bearing plants. Subdivision angiosperms. Ovules enclosed within ovary. Class monocotyledons. Seeds with one cotyledon. Series Epigyne. Perianth biseriate. Family Amaryllidaceae. Perennial herbs with underground stem. Salient features. Habit. Perennial, bulbous, tuberose or rhizomatous herbs of usually xerophytic habit. Stem. Underground bulb. For example, crinum. Rhizomes. Corm. For example, Polyanthus. Leaves. Alternate. Exstipulate. Stipules absent. Radical. Culine. Culine means leaves growing on a stem, especially on the upper part of stem. Linear. Lanceolate with parallel venation. Sometimes thick, fleshy with waxy coating. Inflorescence. Flowers borne on leafless scape, either single or in cymose, or umbellate clusters. Flowers protected by large bract called spathe. Spathiaceous bract is a key character of family Amaryllidaceae. Flower, bracts and bracteoles. Actinomorphic or zygomorphic. Example, Alstroemeria. Bisexual, trimerous and epigynous. Perianth. Number of tepals 6. In 2 whorls of 3 each. Gamophilous means fused tepals. Rarely polyphilous, for example, Galanthus. Petaloid means look like petal. Cup-like outgrowth at the base of stamen and in between perianth tube. Non additional corona. Valvate aestivation. Androecium. Number of stamens 6. Arranged in 2 whorls. Polyandrous. Epiphyllous. Filament long. Anthers basifixed or versatile. Gynoecium. Number of carpels 3. Tricarpellary syncarpous. Ovary inferior, trilocular with axile placentation, with 1 to 2 ovules in each locule. Style slender and stigma trifid or capitate. Fruit capsule, rarely drupe or berry. Seeds albuminous. Floral formula: actinomorphic, rarely zygomorphic. Bisexual, perianth 3+3, polyphylous, or in bracket 3+3, gamophilous. Stamens 3+3, gynoecium, tricarpellary, syncarpous, ovary inferior with axile placentation. Family Amaryllidaceae. Example, Polyanthes tuberosa. Ilex of flower, Androecium, Gynoecium, TS of ovary, and floral diagram. Economic importance. Polyanthes tuberosa, commonly known as tuberose or nishigandha, commonly cultivated for its fragrant waxy white flowers in an open spike. Its dried powder bulbs are used for gonorrhea. Flowers used in indoor decoration and preparation of bouquet. An essential oil obtained from the flowers is used in high grade perfumery. Crinum asiaticum. It is cultivated in garden for its beautiful flowers. Showy flowers. The bulbs are luxative and diuretic. Bulbs are roasted and crushed and used for piles. And rheumatism means joint pain. Its leaf juice is used for earache. Amaryllis belladonna, a South African species often cultivated in gardens for its graceful flowers. Narcissus jonquilla. The flowers are the source of essential oil used in perfume industry or perfumery. Gypranthus ajax. It is commonly cultivated in gardens, in paths, in window boxes and as border plants. Agave americana. The leaves of several species yield a valuable fiber used for making carpets, mats, cordage, ropes, etc.